is a little gift from me. Right? I'm not going to say how much it is or whatever. You will know what it is. You know what you asked for. So you hold on to your gift. All right.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
When you see the positive, you have to highlight the positive. And that video here today is a positive. So me, first and foremost, I'm going to say big up to Andrew Holness on the movie where he make in that video here I'm about to show you. Now, let me give you a little insight on what it's all about. A young lady from Christiana did a video reaching out to the Prime Minister asking for some assistance in starting a business. And the Prime Minister see the video and make the big move of reaching out to the young lady and give her a start. The man link her up and then give her some items to start her bar, which is what she said she wanted to do. And the man also give her some cash. So what that say? Him no give her something for she eat only right then and there and then dead for hungry. Him give her something so that she can fend for herself and find her own food. Me like that move there, Mr. Prime Minister. Big up. Even though I know you still go find the people that will come with negative comments as I've already seen some in. But we not give them no highlight. Watch ya. Big up to the Prime Minister upon the move ya. And the young lady, me like the fact that she come out and she never make pride stop her to ask for what she want. Big up to her too as well. Alright? Viewers, check out what the Prime Minister did for this young lady.
Well, my name is Nicola James. I am from Preston, Manchester. And I begin 150k for open one local bar for start something for myself so I can stop work for people. This can go viral now. You find me, I'm gonna get the money.
Hold on to your gift. Alright. And we have some stocks for you. So you should be able, I don't know if you have the spot already, but we do what we can a little bit to it. Alright? And what we would want is that you become a positive ambassador.
I promise. I'm feeling a bit nervous and excited at the same time because I've always wanted to meet the Prime Minister and I eventually didn't know that it would have come to pass. So I am very much excited and honored to be meeting the most honorable Andrew Holness.
Who are you? Is this Nicola? Listen, it was very creative. It was also very profound what you were saying. Because your video highlighted certain views that are held in the public's mind. Some of them not all true. But they're pertinent views, which, as your Prime Minister, I have to pay attention to. And we also thought it would be good to come and visit you because we looked at your case. We did our little checks to make sure that your situation was genuine and deserving. And we decided that we would come and assist. There are thousands of young women like yourself, hard-working, upstanding citizens who deserve assistance. I can't help all of them, but I do try to assist. In your video, you said that, we don't always try to reach out to the people who need. I certainly try to make it a point of duty, personally, and through the resources of the state to assist persons like yourself. But your video also highlighted the issue of fairness, that our society isn't fair. And that is a historical issue, and it is only over time by how we as government ministers and politicians and public servants operate to ensure that we protect the rights of the citizens. Because during this COVID period, what has happened is it's not about the public health issue. It is more about the rights of the people. Because, the right of freedom of expression, people feel that is challenged. My job is to make sure that every single Jamaican can express their views, right? Within the boundaries of the law, within the boundaries of what is accepted as decent within the law. But the right of freedom of expression is something that I believe in, and I will do everything to ensure that every Jamaican can speak openly about what they feel the government is doing or not doing. That is the beauty of our democracy. That is what makes us a free country and a free people. So I want to assure you of that. So yes, the curfews, the lockdowns, the restrictions, they are an imposition, and they have impacted negatively on the livelihoods and the ability to pursue people's happiness. But it is also necessary to preserve lives and livelihoods. So I can only ask for the understanding of the people of the country, and again to take the opportunity to say, if you have not yet gotten your vaccine, get vaccinated. It's the way out of the situation. Listen, you said you wanted to start a bar. So we have decided we're going to assist you with what you have asked for, with your setting up your shop. So this is a little gift from me. Right? I'm not going to say how much it is or whatever. You will know what it is. You know what you asked for. So you hold on to your gift. All right. And we have some stocks for you as well. So you should be able. I don't know if you have the spot already, but we give you what we can a little bit to it. All right. And what we would want is that you become a positive ambassador.
And I want to thank you very much, Mr. Holness, for reaching out to me, because when I did the video, I didn't do it with the expectation, honestly, that it would have went viral, and I didn't do it with the expectation that you will reach out and so soon.
It was a lesson in how to use social media. You represent for the country, hard-working, upstanding citizen, setting an example as to how you can use your freedom of expression in ways that can be effective and profound. So again, Nicola,
thank you.
My great pleasure. And I now anoint you as an ambassador for positive things in Jamaica. I'm going to take back up on you. I want to see that we're going to come and have a drink, mark it, and coming back to have a drink with you.
I am very impressed by the actions of this current Prime Minister. I have never seen in my 52 years on earth another Prime Minister in Jamaica who cares about the people like Holness. I have never seen a Prime Minister with such compassion, a genuine man. When I see him come down here to Christiana, to this little lady, and did what he did for her today, it impressed me so much.
A word to young people is not what you do, but how you do what you do. Because this young lady that he came to Christiana today to give the money she had requested for a business of her own, she did it in a proper manner. She did not disrespect the Prime Minister. And because of that, I know he listened. His heart goes out to her. He came, he presented her with the money that she said she wanted to do a business of her own. And I only hope she will take up the offer, and within a few months we will be at her bar supporting her.
Young people, social media can be used in such wonderful ways. See, Mr. Brogan himself came to Christiana Manchester, so I'm encouraging us to use social media for positivity. God bless you all.
Today was a very empowering day for me, meeting the Prime Minister in such a fashion that he was contributing to a young lady who needed to start a business. This was aided by social media. The use of social media is very important in our society today. It provides us with real-time information, as also it can reach persons who would have probably normally would have been reached before the intervention of social media.
How did he know about this? How did he locate Nicole? Well, let me tell you about that. It was via the social media platform. We believe, as the National Police Youth Club movement and the Christiana Police Youth Club, that we are helping to build a better Jamaica. Brogard, sir, we welcome you and we thank you for that surprise. You indeed shed a light that, guess what? Greatness lives in all of us. We appreciate your patience, your time, and your effort.
We are helping to build a better Jamaica.
Christiana PYC.
Hope you get the message in that, you know, because young youths will definitely need to get the message. Social media can be used for good. Alright? And I hope that we are all using it for good, including myself. Alright? Watch ya. People, big up the Prime Minister down below. Whether you like him or not. This was a big move. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about that one. Yeah, Zane? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.